2023 Toyota Camry. We were getting maintenance required, visit your dealer. Let's reset that real quick. Hit the back button. Now scroll down till you get to the gear symbol here. And go over to the right. Right here, okay. This is what you're looking for, is this symbol right here. This is going to be settings. Now press and hold OK. Now we're going to go to scheduled maintenance, hit OK, and it'll ask you if you want to reset, hit yes. And if you turn the car off and on, that message should not display again, and you'll be good to go. I hope the video was helpful, and if it was, appreciate it if you hit the like button for me, leave me a comment if you could, and I hope to see you again in another Toyota video.